In today's video, I'm Minghai to teach you how to follow companies on LinkedIn. If you want to stay updated on a company's news, job postings, content, and announcements, following that company on LinkedIn is a simple and useful step. It helps personalize your feed and makes it easier to keep an eye on businesses you're interested in, whether for networking, research, job searching, or industry updates. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the home area you normally see after logging in, where posts and updates appear. Starting from the feed is helpful because it gives you direct access to the search bar at the top of the page, which is the quickest way to find a company page. Once you are on the LinkedIn feed, move to the search bar and type in the name of the company you want to follow. As you type, LinkedIn may show suggested results. You can either click a suggestion if the correct company appears right away, or continue with the full search to narrow things down more carefully. If the company has a common name, taking an extra moment here can help you avoid selecting the wrong page. After the search results load, look for the option labeled Companies and click on it. This filters the results, so you're only viewing company pages, instead of seeing a mix of people, posts, jobs, or groups. Using the company filter makes the process much cleaner and helps you find the official business page faster. From the list of company results, locate the company you want. When you find the correct page, click the follow button. Once you do that, LinkedIn will begin showing you updates from that company in your feed, depending on your activity and feed settings. This is a great way to keep up with brand announcements, hiring activity, and professional content without needing to search for the company again later. As a quick tip, make sure you're following the official company page and not a similarly named page. You can usually verify this by checking the logo, company description, and overall page quality before clicking follow. And that's it. Following companies on LinkedIn only takes a few moments, but it can be a very effective way to stay informed and connected to the organizations that matter most to you.